Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Martin Luther King and everything. So we are out for a walk in Marvel. We just got up. Marvel actually woke us up because we were really late. It's almost 10 o'clock, and it's freezing right here. This guy never feels cold, but he is feeling cold today. So you can imagine how cold it is.
Suppose when you walk out of a quilt or a comforter, you feel cold.
Yeah. So we are going for a walk with him. We're gonna take him to a park and open unleash him over there so that he can run around and everything. So yeah, let's
Forgot to bring his toys.
yeah. But it's okay. I think he'll just run around by himself for some time. By himself. It's a little sunny. It's not windy though today. Like yesterday, it was very windy. It is not today. Do you want me to hold him? Huh.
So guys, it is still windy. I mean, at first part, Tanya thought it is not, but it's still breezy. But it's sunny, so I'm enjoying the fun. This guy is standing over here. We are going to the park. Just not sure which park I'm planning to take him. Let's see. So we are here. This is not technically a dog park, but
It's like an open area.
yeah, but normally people bring their dogs and they run around. Look at this one. He's just walking. Come here. Come. Do you want to play? Marvel, do you want to play? Just go run around, run. Yes. Do you want to play? It's a nice big area, guys. And they have poop bags over there. They have a little bit of sitting over there. I have to figure out how to make him run. Look at him. I'm in no condition to run. What? The rules are the daddy is gonna throw a stick and you are gonna go bring it back, okay? Are you ready? Go fetch! Come over here. Come. Don't break the stick.
Well, he never brings it back. He eats them up. Not eats them, like breaks them up.
I have to find another stick. He eats. Okay, I'm okay. So the daddy is gonna... Oh, one.
What did you find here? Marvel? Go run around, go! I am making tea right now, so I have my tea, probiotic, I'm adding collagen, and then I'm going to add aloe. This collagen is really good because it is good for your healthy skin and nails, supports your bones and joints, and very good for overall good for your body. And now I'm gonna add aloe. I will be making a recipe for my YouTube channel today, so that you guys can make it, enjoy it, and let me know how it is. So this is just ready. I'm waiting for my water to heat up, and I'm gonna add water and done.
Okay, people. So we are ready. We are going out for a spin. Actually, I do want to check out a few things. Like I do want to check out a new vlogging camera. I mean, we do have GoPro, but GoPro has been acting a little bit lately. So I do have to ask them why is it doing that. But I have seen a lot of people complaining about it. If you're using GoPro for daily recordings, many people have been complaining about how it just.
And the same.
It's
the same problem that everybody's complaining about.
Yep. So basically, everybody's complaining about like how GoPro voluntarily just turns on and off and drains out the battery. And I don't know if the company still have a solution. So I'm trying to see into a more better vlogging camera. So we are gonna just check it out and see what we like and what is out there. So we're just going to get the temperature on the current technology out there, basically. So we are all set up and ready to rock and roll.
Bye, Marvel. We'll be back soon, okay?
Bye bye.
Next level.
So we are going to Best Buy right now, and then from there we don't know where we're gonna go. We'll see. And we had our shake for lunch, so that is done over there. We're not hungry or anything. And let's see. So this is the camera we're looking for. It is PowerShot G7 Mark II, but let's see, we'll be looking for more options. All camera here.
Into that. Oh, there's connected.
We are out of Best Buy and we did not buy anything today. We actually just went to see, and we are really confused between two, three cameras, and just we have to decide something.
We are confused that we should just go all in versus elementary, basically. So we can either go for point and shoot, which is very good battery life, good for basics, or we could just go all in and get like a DSLR, like Canon ATV with all the features and everything. So I guess that's where we stand. And there are many more things that I want to come into play. I mean, our iPhone shoots excellent in some scenarios. We have GoPro that shoots excellent, so maybe just getting a point and shoot will cover up the rest.
Yeah. Anyways, I think.
So we just are gonna think about it and then see how we want. But she is like, we are 90% leaning towards point and shoot though.
Yeah.
Because it's very light, you can just
light,
put it in the pocket.
Yeah, easy to carry, and so.
Let's see.
And right now, I think we are going home, or I mean, we don't know where to go, what to do, so we're just going nowhere. Like we're actually going nowhere. I think we just end up going home. So, or to Target, I don't know. Let's see. We are back home, and I just gave Marvel some coconut oil and ice as a treat. I'm keeping it back, and we are having
a modern caprice.
Yeah, we're having modern caprice sandwich. So the brand new grill that we got, we're making it in that, and this is how it's gonna come out. I'll just get the dustbin back.
You cut it into what more?
Okay, so it has like basil pesto sauce and mozzarella and tomato and some chili flakes, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is gonna be our lunch with some spicy and tangy peanuts, and I'm gonna have wine, and he's having some Coke. This is my wine. And this guy, what do you want? What are you doing?
Anyway, we're gonna watch. You can test it.
Yeah, I think there's just 3 more episodes left for Designated Survivor. Oh my god, that was so good. It's so addicting. We have been watching it from the day we started, and we don't watch anything else. Whenever we get time, we only watch that. So like we just want to know what is going to happen next kind of thing. So my clothes are drying. I need to fold them once they're done. Keep them in the place. That is the one thing that I don't like, and even he doesn't like doing that. But still, you gotta do what you gotta do. TV.
Oh, she came out. I was too late to turn it on. She's trying to play with Marvel and she's trying to like sound like being upset. And look at him.
So guys, we were kind of getting bored sitting at home. We watched one episode of
Designated Survivor.
Designated Survivor, and now we're going to the clubhouse to get some coffee. Even though we have coffee machine at home, we're just going out just so that we can have a walk, and it's beautiful weather, so let's go get some coffee.
Yep. A quick sneak peek. Let's wait. A quick sneak peek into what's going on right now. She is all prepped. I'm not gonna tell you what she's cooking. You'll have to check out Tanya's kitchen for that. She is all set up. This is what goes behind the scene. The tripod is here. Her setup is here. What we are doing right now is waiting for this little guy to finish off his dinner so we can give him a walk. And once we come back, she'll be shooting another amazing recipe video for Tanya's kitchen. So you guys, if you haven't already checked that out, you should. So we'll be super grateful to you if you go give us a subscribe, like what recipes you like, and even give us more on Tanya's kitchen. Comment and tell us what would you like to see next as the recipe, and maybe share something that you cook and we can feature it, whatever. So do check that out, and this recipe is gonna be out real soon this week, so stay tuned for that. And for now, he only takes 30 seconds to actually finish up his food, so he's done, and we'll be taking him out for a walk. So see you guys in a bit.
So guys, I'm done shooting a video for my recipe channel, and this is what came out. Oh my god, it is so good, guys. It is honey and balsamic glazed roasted Brussels sprouts. They are so delicious. You can see the nice crisp and it's perfectly roasted. It has a sweetness from orange, not orange, sorry, honey and the flavor of balsamic vinegar. So it's really good, really delicious. And this guy is right here, right? You're not getting anything. Anyways, so yeah, the recipe is hit, and I'm gonna edit the video tonight and post it tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. And what do you want, Marvel? What do you want? Do you want to eat Brussels sprouts? And guys, I know most of you don't like Brussels sprouts, but trust me, this is the kind that you're gonna fall in love with. So do try making it, and also subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Right, Marvel? Just tell everyone to like the videos. Yes. Good boy. Such a good boy. Anyway, so we are not hungry. We are not really hungry, and you're not hungry, right, babe? Yeah, we're not hungry, so I don't think so we're gonna have anything for dinner. Just a bite or two of Brussels sprouts. That's it. I think so.
And a long weekend ends
Yeah.
here. We had a productive day. We went to check out the cameras. Maybe we'll get some more good quality videos. Maybe we'll get some more. Not maybe. You will get
You
some
will.
more quality videos. You will get some fun videos because let me tell you guys, there's a lot happening this year. This year is a start and it's gonna be amazing for sure. So. My mother-in-law is gonna be down very soon. Next month it's her birthday, Valentine's. We are planning a out-of-country trip, maybe, or maybe in US. We just do not know yet. But yes, one travel is gonna happen for sure. So there's a lot going on, a lot of things happening. We will be going places this year that will go, and then you will see an amazing transformation. Look at this guy; he wants to just sit and take some footage away from us. I guess it's like, how can I not be in the frame?
Yeah, then look at the way he sits.
So he's in the frame, showing his little tummy. But yeah, so I guess there's a lot of things going on this year. So we are so excited to share everything with you guys. I know some of the days you might feel same stuff, but well, that is our life. Sometimes it will be same stuff, but most of the times we'll try to bring something different. At least if we are hitting the gym, you will see a different routine in the gym for 2-3 minutes. You know, we'll try to concise it, and then we are gonna start recording the gym videos as soon as we get a new cam, which is gonna happen very soon. So and then we are gonna record in our vlogs. You will see a little pop-up link in the description as well as in the video where you can follow the fit couple, stay fit with the fit couple video link where you can go and see the whole routine or different exercises, beginners, for intermediates, for advanced levels, different techniques, you know, maybe we'll also try to bring you more like gym related stuff, like what resistance bands we use, like what kind of machines we use in what ways, what kind of routines we do, what kind of supplements we take, like everything. A lot of bunch of stuff that's gonna be there in there, and it is happening all very, very soon. So I encourage you guys, stay tuned with these vlogs. As I said, there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming this year, and I'm sure you are excited as much as we are, because we are very excited to share everything with you guys. So with having said that, we end our long weekend with you guys with the tasty Brussels sprouts. Watch out for the recipe. Subscribe to Tanya's Kitchen if you haven't already. And we are gonna see you in tomorrow's vlog.
Yep. So
good night.
Bye. Bye.